Hello! Today we're going to be making a great pasta dish with eggplant. I'm Chef Paulette and I'm bringing to you a wonderful traditional Sicilian dish called Pasta Norma, and it has eggplant in it and it has a tomato sauce. It's very easy to put together. Here's how we start. You can peel some of the skin so that you have stripes. So you're going to keep some skin and then some bare. So let's cut this in half. And then I'm going to make cubes, okay? I'm going to cut this into big slices. This is the size cube you're looking for. Okay, I cut the eggplant into cubes. Some pieces have a little piece of skin and some pieces don't, but that's okay. That's how you want it. Now we're gonna add a bit of olive oil to this, maybe like a quarter cup. We want this dish to have a lot of oil because that is its traditional style. We're also going to put some olive oil on the pan. I know that sounds like a lot, but eggplant tends to drink up olive oil, and we also want to have some residual olive oil that will have the eggplant flavor because that's going to go on the pasta. Season it with salt and pepper. All right, so in the oven, 375 degrees. So it'll stay in the oven at 375 for about 20 minutes or so, but watch it. You want some nice golden color and you want the eggplant to cook through. While your eggplant is roasting, you could make the tomato sauce. I have here some hot oil going, and we have some sliced garlic. We're gonna put that in the oil. You want the garlic to almost start to get a little bit of color. Okay, starting to get a little color. You want to get moving when you start to see that. We're going to add some hot pepper flakes. This recipe has a little spice to it. You can monitor how much hot pepper you'd like to put in. Now we're going to add a can of crushed tomatoes. It's going to sizzle. A lot. Okay. This smells so good. All right, we're going to add now our last two ingredients, which is some dried oregano and some salt. And you can add a little black pepper too if you like. You want to let this simmer for about 15 minutes and then it's actually done. Okay, our sauce has been cooking for about 8 minutes or so. The roasting eggplant is still going. It's almost there. Time to put our pasta in. You want your water to be boiling, and we're going to add a little bit of salt first. And then the typical pasta for pasta alla Norma is rigatoni, which is kind of like these big tubes. They have some lines on them, and right in it's going to go. And now here's another important ingredient. This cheese is called ricotta salata. It's not that easy to find, but you can find it in places that have really a nice cheese department. If you can't find it, you can just grate some Parmesan or some pecorino on here, and that'll be very delicious. It smells so good. I hope you're gonna try this. You can find me at chefpaulette.net. I'm on Facebook as Chef Paulette, on Instagram as @Italian Cooking Party. I have Zoom cooking classes, in-person cooking classes, and please look for my most recent cookbook, the Easy Italian Cookbook. Hope I'll see you soon, and I am going to take a taste. Wonderful.